This is how it looks, the Campingplatz Himmelmark Beach seaside in Germany. So this is how it looks. And I don't know what is this. This is the duck or ghost or birds. What is it's like a duck. I don't know what is this. So it's a very big duck or very long duck. It's new for me. And the sand color. It's like not maintained to clean this area, like to remove this grain. Something like that. But now we are in Germany, in the first border place in Germany between Denmark